You searched how to buy shares of Nuwellis Inc, a medical technology company focused on fluid management and renal care. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NUWE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy NUWE, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NUWE to find Nuwellis Inc. Confirm the company name and choose the correct NASDAQ listing before opening the page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to understand recent activity. Verify that the company description and NASDAQ listing match the stock you intend to buy. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After execution, your Nuwellis position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.